In a feat of accelerated engineering, the Sagar Tara rises from the waves, showcasing the future of offshore construction.
Slide it in now, it's tight.
Okay, I'll tap it down with the mallet. That should secure it.
Force perfectly balances the force of gravity, illustrating Archimedes' principle of water displacement.
Apply more pressure on that edge right there. We need a perfect seal.
Got it, rolling it out now.
The structural integrity looks solid based on the updated 3D model.
Does that align with the foundation schematics?
Yes, and it matches the progress on the ground floor perfectly.
Bringing it in now.
Phase 1 involves the mold preparation and rebar installation. Then, the concrete is poured and vibrated.
There it goes. Yeah! Yeah, look at that. We finally got her in. Bring it down slowly, watch the connection point. All right, easy now, easy. Torque that down now. It's tight, moving on.
Engineering diagram overlay showing weight distribution. Heavy materials at base, lightweight above, color.
Easy now, take it down 5 centimeters.
Watch the corner, steady. Bring it down 50. Watch the guide wire. Copy that, 50 down. And set. Looks good, secure it. Make sure the overlap is exactly 3 inches on that seam. Got it. How much longer on the mixing? Almost done here.
Torque is set on the main intake valve.
Confirmed. Checking flow rates on panel C.
Align that hinge before you secure the plank.
All right, this section is solid.
An hour perfectly.
Welcome, sir. We've been expecting you.
Thank you. It looks absolutely incredible. We can't wait to settle in.
Electrical distribution panels with marine-grade components, maritime electrical engineering, technical systems photography, professional equipment documentation.
Hold the descent, easy now.
A little to the left, watching the alignment.
All right, clear to land.
The schematic shows this conduit connecting to the central hub.
Right, make sure the bend radius is maintained during the pull.
How are we looking on the riser connection over there?
Almost done, just finishing the tightening now.
Kitchen exhaust and ventilation systems for hotel restaurants, commercial kitchen infrastructure, professional food service engineering.
Okay, lower it slowly now. Copy that, coming down. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
The access panel is online and ready for testing.
Good, the dome camera just calibrated.
We have an alert on the third floor ventilation schematic. Check the pressure levels.
I see it. Rerouting air handling sequence now.
Testing phase, all systems operational display on central monitor. Quality assurance process, commissioning documentation photography.
Hold position, look at this stress point right here.
I see it. Getting a closer shot now.
All stations, this is the Salvage Titan. Maintain current course and tension on the rig. We are proceeding into the channel.
Destination approaching. Journey documentation photography.
Hotel being rotated into exact compass orientation, fine positioning operation, maritime precision photography.
First mooring line being attached to seabed anchor, securing operation beginning, maritime infrastructure photography.
To the best family and many more years of suckless. Cheers.
Cheers.
I swear, the look on his face when I told him was priceless.
Welcome, madam. We hope you had a pleasant cruise.
Thank you so much. It's beautiful here.